Nice to meet you, engineers. Welcome to Sub-Assembly Composer Express training. In this section, we will see creating parts using 3 component point, shape, and link. What is Sub-Assembly Composer? This recording is a part of Express 3 training designed to help you and get up running using Sub-Assembly Composer. Sub-Assembly Composer is an application that is included with your Civil 3D installation. Using Sub-Assembly Composer, you can design different parts that easier to force corridor modeling. Therefore, in this section, we will learn how to create parts using points, links, and shapes. Therefore, let's start. We are now creating point 1. For point 1, we'll create on the flowchart, and the property will be edited on the properties. Point 1 is the origin starting from another place for another points, and point 2 starts from point 1, and we will give these parameters slope and delta x. That means there is have a slope and delta x. For example, the slope is 2.5, we said, and they create by default this delta x is 10 meter. When you see fit screen on the preview, we will see created now the slope by 2%, by 0.5%. We will create point 3. Point 3 starts from the relative to the point 2. That means it is delta x and delta y. For the x value 0, delta y we will give according to what we need the shape. For example, for asphalt 5 cm, it may be base course, sub base, like this, working tile. We don't know, we will give any number, for example 0.5. They create 0.5, it is downward, and we will also create 0.3, 0.4. That means 0.4 starts from 0.1, relative 0.1, and the delta y also 0.5, 0.4. Therefore, for this, they will be linked, they will connect by the link. This is 3 parts we use. This is the points now. This is the link. Now we will add a link. This link is go with the slope. That means we will give this link is done related to the point, 2 points, starting point and ending point. The starting point 0.4, the ending point 0.3. Yeah, done. If we create like this, we will define for the material or shape. We will define a shape by selecting the links. You select shape in preview. They said this, we will click this. Therefore, now click this one. The shape is created. Now, next tutorial, you will see how to determine this parts using custom assembly, custom nodes. That means this is 10 meter, for example. How we make 12 meter using the parameters, the custom parameters. Next time you will see. If there is no any point not clear, you will drop in the comment, and if see you next time, next tutorial, and we will see next time creating this parameter using the custom, and stay safe inside. Keep learning. Thank you so much for your attending my class.